Hi guys, so I have a 2007 Corvette, and I'm about to change right now the rear end links for this from the sway bar and the rear shocks. I don't know if you guys heard that noise, but every time I go over to the pump, it makes a noise. Right now I'm in the garage, parking garage, and it just squeaks. So I'll be making a video shortly on how to get that taken care of. So I bought a new shock absorber on eBay. It's stock from GM, and it was less than 80 bucks. And for both of the end links, I paid like $62 with free shipping. Okay, so I got the car jacked up, and I'm gonna show you guys all the end links on this thing are. Look how loose they are. Look at that. Feels like they're about to break. Then, so I'm pretty sure that's where all the squeaking coming from. Okay, so after removing the wheel, the tire, you're gonna need a T45 to go there and a 19mm to unscrew the links, just to unscrew those two bolts right there. This one and two. So look at the difference between the end link, between this link, the old one, and the new one. So see how it's just wobbling. Now with the new one, nice and stiff. That it moves. Okay, so there is a difference with these that I bought. I can't put this in, it doesn't have the little star like that. So I'm just gonna clamp it. That should do the work right there. All done, nice and tight. Look at it, doesn't even move now. Nice. Okay, so for the shocks, we just need a 13mm to get this bolt, and there's two of them, and there's another one behind that one. And I did have to buy this is a 24mm. When unscrewing the bolt, this is the way you're gonna have to set it up. That's where you're gonna put that, and you're gonna need that to hold that. That's gonna keep spinning. Okay, so once you release the bolts, you wanna put the jack and put it underneath here, and you wanna lift it up to release some tension. So right now you're gonna see this bolt is not coming out, so we're gonna have to lift her up a little bit. Okay, now it's very loose. Look how much it's come out. Okay, so now I'm going to release. Sorry, it's a little dark in there. I lost. Okay, so now I'm just going to release these, and it should come off. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I take it out while we're moving the tire rods or anything like that, messing with the alignment. So right there, I have to drop it a little bit. I have to lower the jack a little bit, and then look, we just take it out sideways, and it'll come out down, and vice versa. So put it back in. Just make sure you clean this right here. It's gonna be full of dirt. Yeah. So make sure you clean that before you install the new one, the new shock.